But as they head off to form up, it's now to the cutting. There were in fact more Blenheims in RAF service, nearly 1,100 of them, when war broke out against Germany on the 3rd of September 1939 than any other single aircraft type. And that of course was across various roles, because although it had originally been conceived in its military form for the RAF as a light bomber, that was the development of a private venture high-speed transport built by Bristol for Lord Rothermere, the owner of the Daily Mail. Potential was seen in the Blenheim as being a long-range fighter, and it's in that configuration that this aircraft appears in. It's a short-nosed Blenheim 1F, F for fighter, with a ventral gun pack containing 4.303-inch Browning machine guns. In the process. In all theatres in which these aircraft based here at Duxford in the early part of World War II with number 222 Squadron, which was reformed here in October 1939 and flew patrols to protect Channel shipping. It converted to Spitfires in the spring of 1940. How far fighter flight of Sea Gladiators. Or perhaps the exploits of RAF and Norwegian Army Air Service Gladiators during the Norwegian campaign in 1940, but they were active during the battle. And they were flown by unofficial station defence flights at various RAF airfields around the country. Losses were grave. During the Battle of Britain, the Lysanders of the Army Cooperation Squadrons were assigned to something new for the RAF, the then provisional Air Sea Rescue Service, searching for downed RAF airmen in the Channel in order for rescue launchers or other craft to hopefully pick up. It didn't prove especially successful. Also during 1940, Lysanders were carrying flights was one future wing commander, Ken Wallace, well known for his autogyro exploits. Later in life, he was on number 268 Squadron of Lysanders, stationed westward. From August 1941 to the end of 1944, in support of the Special Operations Executive, the SOE. Those aircraft were fitted with an underslung long-range fuel tank and an access ladder on the